Good girl, Bella.
Don't get her up. Stay in your bed.
You might even be a pinball wizard.
Is he biting your paws?
It's been over a day since that
He biting ya?
on the wall of shame.
Get her, Narnia. Get her, Narnia.
A little creative in order to get his attention.
Hey, Cindy.
Yeah.
Did you make a call to get that bench shipped out?
Yes, I did.
All right, that, and there was that one customer, that dealer that wanted the set of chairs we just got in. Did you call her?
Yeah.
Get her. Get her. Get her back.
Good girl, Bella.
Where'd she go, Narnia? Bella, get in your bed. Bella, go get in your bed. Get her, Narnia. Get her. Get her.
Checks in the mail.
That's what they all tell me.
Get her. Bella, lay down.
We've got a Russian
Be a good girl, lay down.
It has blood on it from World War II. I'm sending jobs to a local lab to get the flag tested right now.
Usually they like to pull on her ears.
That's significant value.
Do you see her ears, Narnia? Do you see her ears? They're super fun.
Come on, Randy, find me some blood. Find me some blood.
Want to see her ears?
It's obviously seen a lot of that.
Go get her.
Certainly has the
Go get her.
appearance of a flag.
You just like biting her legs. What's it about those legs?
Drop of chemical in the swab. And if there is blood present, then you should see a deep blue or greenish blue color.
Bella's more interested in begging now than playing. Narnia, is she not playing with you? Well, go get her. Get her legs. Go get her legs. Are you biting her? Hey, no. Not Avery's tail.
Avery, come here. Where is the cat?